Good morning. Is it worth it to replace your windows? I don't know why I'm talking about that today. Oh, I do. These windows are being replaced today. I am in my office. It's an old farmhouse. These windows have gotten very drafty. They don't open and close correctly. In fact, some of them, if you unlock them, the upper sash will just fall down. You've got to be really careful. The windows are just not the best in many ways. So today we're getting replacement windows. If you, as a homeowner, are thinking about selling your house, replacement windows are certainly something your realtor will highlight. They'll mention. Why? Buyers like it. They know going in that they won't likely have to replace the windows themselves. It can be a big expense, and buyers like that it typically means that the energy bills will be better because they're not drafty like these windows. They are well insulated. And if you're thinking about replacing your windows, I think that is something that will carry over well when you sell your home. It's definitely something that buyers pay attention to, and you'll benefit while you're living there as well with better energy savings, and probably aesthetically it'll even look better. There are exceptions sometimes to this, I would say, in historic homes. If you have a historic home that's on the National Register, or there's, the old glass still in the windows and it looks good and it's functioning well, perhaps you suck it up and pay whatever your electric bill or your fuel oil bill is, and it's probably even worth it to maintain the historical integrity of that building. But outside of that, replacing the windows, always a good idea, especially if the ones you have failed, aren't functioning right, are letting the cool air in the winter and the hot air in the summer, and hey, maybe even bugs are getting in through your windows if they're anything like mine. Have a great week.